Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. This is our first video on this newly proposed YouTube channel under title Classical Mechanics by Rana Abdul Wahid Khan. Okay. The purpose of this video is just to introduce textbooks intended to be reserved for being followed in our upcoming regular academic lectures. Okay, so I start enumerating these books. There are total 12 books reserved for this course. Okay, at some later stage we may include some other textbook if deemed necessary. However, so far these are quite sufficient. Okay, so let us come towards our main task, that is introduction of books intended to be followed in upcoming regular academic lectures. Okay, these 12 books are: book number 1, Classical Mechanics by Herbert Goldstein, Charles Poole and John Sefko. Okay, these three authors. Main author is first and the other two are co-authors. Okay, this is the most important and we can say Bible of classical mechanics. Okay, book number 1, Classical Mechanics, Herbert Goldstein, Charles Poole and John Sefko. Its publisher is Edison Wesley and its third edition 2002 will be followed. Book number 2, Classical Dynamics of Particles and Systems. Okay, Classical Dynamics of Particles and Systems. Its authors are Stephen T. Thornton, Jerry B. Marion. Okay, its publisher is Thomson Brooks Cole. Okay, Thomson Brooks Cole. Its 5th edition 2004 will be followed. Book number 3, Classical Mechanics. Authors are Tom W. B. Kibble, Frank H. Berkshire. Okay, its publisher is World Scientific and its 5th edition 2004 will be followed. Book number 4, Classical Mechanics. Author is Tai L. Chow. Okay, pronunciation may differ. Tai L. Chow or Tai L. Chow, whatever may be the exact pronunciation. Okay, Tai L. Chow. Its publisher is CRC Taylor and Frankis. Its 2nd edition 2013 will be observed, will be followed. Okay, book number 5, Mechanics. L. D. Lando, L.D. Landau, E.M. Lifshitz. Okay, L.D. Landau, E.M. Lifshitz. Okay, and these are two authors, and then there are two translators. Okay, definitely this book might be translated from some other language. Okay, translators are J.B. Sykes, J.S. Bell. Okay, two authors, two translators. Its publisher is Butterworth Hanneman. Okay, whatever may be the exact pronunciation. Butterworth Hanneman. Its third edition 1981 will be followed. Next book is book number 6, Classical Mechanics and book number 6, Classical Mechanics and Undergraduate Text. Its author is R. Douglas Gregory. Okay, R. Douglas Gregory. Its publisher is Cambridge University Press, and edition is that of 2006. Okay, definitely it will be the first publisher. Okay, because definitely it will be the first edition. Okay, because in case of second, third, fourth edition, we usually write second edition 2000 so and so. Okay, when we simply write as Cambridge University Press 2006, then it should be assumed that edition is the first edition. Okay, so Cambridge University Press 2006 means publisher is Cambridge University Press, and this is the first edition of this book having been published in 2006. Okay, next book is book number 7, Introduction to Classical Mechanics with Problems and Solutions. Author is David Morin. Publisher is Cambridge University Press 2008. Okay, again definitely it will be the first edition of this book. Okay, because in case of second, third or fourth edition, we usually write as second edition 2000 so and so, third edition so and so, fourth edition so and so. Okay, so Cambridge University Press 2008 means publisher is Cambridge University Press and edition is first edition having been published in 2008. Next book is book number 8, Classical Mechanics, John R. Taylor. Okay, John R. Taylor. Its publisher is University Science Books, and the edition is that of 2005. Okay, definitely first edition. Okay, University Science Books, first edition 2005. Book number 9, Classical Mechanics, Undergraduate Lecture Notes in Physics. Its authors are Matthew J. Benquista. Okay, difficult to pronounce. However, I have tried to pronounce as I can. Okay, probability of mistake cannot be excluded. Okay, its authors are Matthew J. Benquista. Second author is Joseph D. Romano. Okay, Matthew J. Benquista, Joseph D. Romano. Its publisher is Springer, and the edition is of 2018. Definitely it will be the first edition. Okay, Springer 2018. Okay, next book is book number 10, Classical Mechanics An introduction. Its author is Dieter Strauch. Dieter Strauch. Publisher is Springer and edition is that of 2009. Springer 2009. Next book is book number 11, Classical Mechanics, A Modern Perspective. Its authors are Vernon Barger, Martin Olson. Okay, again difficult names, difficult to pronounce. However, we try to perform our duty as we can. Okay, authors are Vernon Barger, Martin Olson. Publisher is McGraw-Hill and its second edition 1995 will be followed. Next book and the last book is book number 12, Analytical Mechanics. Its authors are Lois N. Hand and Janet D. Finch. Okay, again unusual name, difficult to pronounce. Okay, Lois N. Hand, Janet D. Finch. Its publisher is Cambridge University Press and the edition is that of 1998. And this is the end of our module. Okay.